We all know how great Notion is for taking notes. In this video, I'm going to talk about using Notion for presentations, especially recorded presentations. There are many advantages to this, and I've created a little Python command line script that makes Notion a little bit better for presentations. When you create a presentation with Notion, you put all of your content on a single Notion page and you simply scroll through it instead of creating multiple slides. The advantage is that you don't have to fit the content to the limited geometry of the slide. You can put as much or as little content sequentially on your scrolling page, and you're organizing the content logically rather than geometrically. It's of course much easier to go back to previous content by just scrolling back up instead of paging back through slides. Furthermore, it's interactive and it's a lot more exciting. You can collapse and open and expand these toggles, and you can alter the content on the go. If you want to write a piece of code, for example, you can just do it. It is much faster to prepare a Notion presentation than slides. So here I have an error. I'm going to fix it on the go. You can easily create bullet lists, number lists, sections, and tables. You can easily rearrange the content within a presentation. And of course, if you have taken notes in Notion, you can just drag your notes into your presentation to make a quick presentation. Of course, Notion supports native LaTeX formulas, beautifully formatted. You can have code blocks in Notion that are highlighted appropriately according to the language. You can create professional looking tables directly within Notion very quickly. And you can drag and drop images into your Notion presentation. And during the presentation, you can double click on an image to enlarge it. There are a couple of problems with creating presentations in Notion. The first one is that you cannot disable the mouse hover effect. So you notice every time I hover over an image, these annoying pop-ups appear which distract the viewer. The same is true with code. And the second problem is that because you don't have slides, there's no slide window to focus the viewer's attention. Unless you use your mouse to point to everything, the viewer doesn't know what to look at. And both of these can be addressed with this solution. The solution is very simple: a transparent window that's superimposed on the Notion page. This disables the mouse's hover effects, and it also focuses the viewer's attention. This window is implemented through a Python script that you run from the command line with this command, or alternatively, you can specify command line arguments that specify the size of the window, its transparency, and its color. So let me show you how it works. You open the terminal. I'm going to run it with default arguments. And here it is. This is the semi-transparent window. You center it over your presentation, and then you simply scroll through your presentation. It focuses the user's attention on the area of interest, and most importantly, it disables the mouse hover effect. So as you hover over your images and code, you don't have those annoying pop-ups. Here's the script for it. I will put a link to this script in the description of this video in case you're interested in using it. And finally, to get rid of the overlay, you just click on it and press escape.